Hey everyone, it's Sara from Edcafe AI, and today I have a quick one for you. Today we're just going to go over the summary and report that you can see from your Edcafe AI files that you have shared with students. So that summary is just located underneath the description. You'll see how many submissions have been done, the average score, the median time taken for a file type like the quiz one that I have open here. So when you click into the view report, this is where you see that more detailed view of your student submissions. You'll also get this summary right on top, and this summary makes it really easy for you to see if there's anything new to look at. So if you're just taking a glance at this at the end of class or wrapping up that period, you can easily glance and see if any students have submitted, as this is all updated live. So you can access this summary and then of course that detailed report in the quiz feature. You can also access it in reading activity that has a quiz attached to it. Then you'll also be able to see with the chatbot, and this chatbot includes the median message count and that chat duration as well. Then you'll also be able to see it in the flashcards, the assignment grader, and the YouTube quiz feature. So that's it on the summary and detailed report view for all of these different files. There's more videos on the Edcafe AI YouTube channel about this report page and everything that you can see inside of here.